Guys, I'm going to show you how to make a really quick, nutritious, and delicious sandwich. So this is sprouted whole grain bread, and I've already spread some fat-free canned refried beans on this piece. I love baked sweet potato on the sandwich. I know it sounds weird, but it is so good. And this one's a purple one, but you can use any color sweet potato you like. Then I make this red bell pepper fat-free cheese type sauce, and I will be putting up a video for that as well. But with or without this sauce, this sandwich is amazing. I'm gonna add just a little bit of avocado, some red onion, and I love to top it with sprouts and red leaf lettuce. And then I just put it on my non-stick ceramic pan without any oil or anything. As you can see, this one cooks up just fine. There's no sticking, and it is a really yummy, delicious, easy sandwich.